Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. Okay, so in our previous classes, we have seen temporary tables, table variables, and common table expression. Sorry, derived table. Okay, so if you haven't watched that videos, guys, okay, so I strongly recommend watch that videos. Okay, so in that we discussed about the temporary resources. Okay, how we can go with the temporary purpose and all. Okay, so in this, okay, CTE also same kind of okay temporary purpose only. Okay, within the scope only we use this common table expression. So it's used introduced in 2005. Okay, it is also temporary result set purpose. Okay, it can be referenced with the select, insert, update, delete statement immediately. So you point, do make this point, underline, guys. Okay, immediately follows the CTE. Okay, and then the syntax is okay. The CTE syntax is okay. A CTE syntax is like so everything like in SQL Server. If you want to create anything, you will go with the create table name. If you want to create a table, if you can't create a view, create a view name. If you want to create a procedure name. But the only thing difference, okay, the CTE, okay, will start with this with class and the CTE name. Okay, the required columns. Okay, what are the columns you want to require? You can. Okay, this is optional. Okay, columns are optional. You may have the columns or you may not have the columns. Okay, these are the optional. And after with CTE and then columns, okay, there is a as. Okay, and after as open bracket and close bracket, within that there is a select way. Okay, this is the syntax case. Okay, if you want to create some CTE, simple CTE, okay, so you can go and then, so let me write it case. Okay, simple CTE will write it. Okay, so you can make this as also simple CTE. Okay, select query. But so just let me go here. Okay, this is the select statement. Okay, if you want to create it, okay, you can create with CTE. Okay, CTE name. Okay, that may be anything, guys. Okay, that is maybe employee. Okay, employee details something. Okay, employee details. This is the name. Okay, this is the name, employee details. Okay, something like that. And then as open bracket and then close bracket in between your select statement. Okay, so immediately follows the selector, insert, or update, delete. Okay, I said right. Okay, you have to select immediately with the select star from, okay, CTE. Okay, so select star from CTE. This one you can use this CTE and then you can execute. Okay, like this. Okay, so just I'm simply okay writing is okay. You can give, and then if you write something, select some ABC between, in between. If you write some select ABC in between, okay, you cannot select that. Okay, you cannot able to. It will not work. Okay, it will not work. See that. Okay, so that is the reason I mentioned very clearly to underline this. Okay, you have to follow immediately with the select or insert or update or delete anything, guys. Okay, you have to follow immediately with the CTE. Okay, so that is the CTE case. Okay, so now we'll go with the one example. Okay, so and also if you want to columns, okay, if you want, okay, here we have this many columns. Okay, if you want to specify only few columns, okay, sorry, let me exclude. Okay, so if you want only name and something salary, okay, you can specify name, or you can write employee name. Okay, no need to write as this bikes. Okay, if you want, you can write employee name or salary. Okay, something like that you can specify. Okay, and also you have to specify the same names here, otherwise it will give an error. Okay, if you try to execute now, so it will give an error. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, you have to pass. Okay, whatever the columns you required here, the same columns you have to pass here, otherwise you in select statement you have 4 columns and you are passing only 3 columns and you are using your star, so it will not take. Okay, so that is the important case. Okay, and also column names. Okay, if you change the column names, okay, so if you have a column name something, okay, so what are those? Okay, salary. So here the column names should be passed the same. Okay, here name and salary is there. Okay, so you can pass the name and comma sal. Okay, so then you can execute it. Okay, same columns are not required. Okay, same column names are not required in a select statement. You can write it your friendly names. That's not a problem. Okay, but whatever the columns you passed here, so same columns should be here. And also, if you suppose there is some column names and you are passing the same column names here, okay, so it will not allow, okay, it will not recognize what is these columns and all. Okay, you are already taken these column names here, right? So take the same column names here, and then column should be matched. Okay, name should be matched to the name. Okay, name should be matched to the name, and salary should match to the salary. But the column names you can change different. Okay, so you can change different. That's not a problem. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, this is one thing you need to remember. And then next one, okay, we'll go with the some little bit big CTE. Okay, so here I am doing the sum of salary and then department ID from the select statement. Okay, so it will give the each department ID wise salary. Okay, sum of salary it will give each department wise. And then there is a department table. I'm joining the CTE. Okay, I'm joining the CTE. Okay, I'm joining the CTE with the department table. Guys, are you getting? So I'm creating a CTE with the select statement, and then I'm using that CTE with the department table, and I'm getting the salary wise department wise. Okay, so for that purpose also you can go with the CTE. You can execute the CTE and then you can get the results. Okay, so execute it each department wise. So matching departments only. It is matching department wise salaries. Okay, matching department to ID wise. So you can use the CTE in joint statement or union also. Okay, if you want to go with the union, okay, you can go with the union or joints. Okay, immediately. So, but you have to write it immediately. And also we can update the CTE and also, okay, we can update the CTE. We can delete the CTE by using base tables. Okay, whether we if we update base table will be updated or not. Okay, whether we delete the base table will be deleted or not. Okay, so this is a temporary purpose only. So CTE will not store, okay, will not be there anywhere. Okay, so the query should be executed. View is stored somewhere, right? Okay, view, just like a view, but view the query, it will save the query. But here it is not save the query anything, just it is only batch. Okay, execution back only. The scope, the CTE scope is only for the execution scope. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see what like we can able to update the CTE or not. Okay, we can able to delete the base tables data or not. Okay, we can able to. Okay, that answer is yes or no, guys. Okay, like same like a view. When we write a complex view, we cannot able to update. But when you write a simple view, we can able to update. Okay, the same way even CTE also, by using CTE also, if it is a single based CTE, single dependent CTE, so we can update the base tables. But if you update using multiple tables, so the CTE is not updatable. And also delete also same kind of things. Okay, so we'll see that in details in a later session. Okay, hope you understand the CTE, what is CTE, how we can take the columns and all. Okay, in this session, guys. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see like by using CTE we can update or delete and okay, insert the data. Okay, so and also we can go with the CTE multiple so like suppose if you have some like let me go here. So you can CTE, you can create a number of subqueries and then we can go with that. Okay, suppose you have a IT sales. Okay, so you want to give so select employee count by department wise. Okay, so I want to see in first employee count. Okay, so let me go, sorry, where is the select statement? Sorry, select statement, select employee, select star. Select star from employee. Okay, these many employee tables. Okay, you can join. Okay, as okay E and then left to join or inner join. Okay, you can go with the left to join. Okay, left to join and okay. Okay, so I'm just taking the join, guys. Okay, so you can go with the column names. Okay, you want the department ID and the department ID in both the tables, right? Name, comma, sal, comma, department name. Okay, department name. Okay, so these three columns are required. Okay, just to join it. Okay. So these are the three departments we have. Only we can go with the inner join. Okay, we can go with the inner join. Okay, so let me execute it. Okay, only three departments are matching, so that is the reason three departments are there. Okay, so in one CTE I will go with the with CTE, so that is department employee count. Okay, you can say employee count by employee count by IT department. Okay, IT department. Okay, so that is the CTE name as open bracket, and then you can go with the CTE. Okay, the count. Okay, so you can take the department name and salary and everything. Okay, you can select this. Okay, so this query, so we'll write the count. Okay, count of employees. Okay, so you can count a name. Okay, count a name. For salary I don't want. Okay, count the name of the employees. Okay, count each department wise. Okay, count name as a employee count. Okay, name as a EMP count. Okay, EMP count, and then group by department, group by department name. Okay, this is a one CTE, and then followed by comma. Okay, followed by comma, you can use a comma and same. Okay, so same thing. Okay, if you want to write a where clause. Okay, where department is equal to IT, where department name equal to IT, so it will give only IT employees. Okay, IT employees count. Okay, if you want to see, then you can execute it. Okay, this is the employee count too. Okay, the same thing. Okay, you can write. Okay, you can go with the HR and sales in another comma separated, and then you can write one more CTE name. Okay, comma separated, you can write one more CTE name, employee count by sales HR. Okay, something like that. Okay, so it may not be valid, but so I'm just giving an idea, guys. Okay, how you can use that and all. Okay, so that is in. Okay, you can write in class. Okay, we have two departments, right? So you can use in class and then open bracket. Okay, so this time it's HR, then comma sales. Okay, and then close. Okay, then close. Okay, so you can use union now. Okay, you can use union now. So just let me zoom out. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, select star from the CTE. Okay, select. Okay, select star from CTE union. You can use union, and then another CTE. Okay, you have one more CTE, right? So this one. Okay, select star from. Select star from this CTE. Okay, you can use like this also. You can have a multiple CTEs, and then you can use. Okay, so yeah, so this is the so this is the way we can use multiple CTEs, and then at the end you can get the results like this. Okay, so you can get the results. Okay, at the end, what is the syntax we missed? Okay, as we missed, right? So that is the reason. Okay, as is important case. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, we are missing. Okay, let me zoom out, guys. Okay, so that it will be visible. Okay, the query will be visible. Okay, so you can you can write a CTE like this. Okay, so you can go with the multiple CTEs. Okay, comma separated, you can write one more CTE, and then you can at the end you can join our union or whatever the things you want to do, you can do, and then you can get the results for three departments. Okay, in simple query also we can get that, but so to get the idea, like, okay, you can use a comma separated CTE, and then we can get at the end, we can join our union those CTEs. Yes, hope you are clear with the CTE. Okay, tomorrow we'll see how to insert and delete and the remaining part. Okay, so this is about the CTE case. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so if you like the video, please like and share and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed for my channel yet. Okay, for more videos please subscribe. Okay, thank you.